Yeah, the day is winding down. Got a little bit of daylight left. Daylight savings kicked in, I think, last weekend. There's Toby checking in on me. What you doing, critter? Everything good in the hood? Good enough? All right. Still playing with the truck. Got my cargo net in. All right. Just use the carabiners that came with it. That's the factory tie-down points, and you're supposed to use some kind of D-rings and drill a hole and run it along the top lip of the rail. But I've got the rail cap protectors and the mounts for the tonneau cover. Have a nice little mounting hole. But it's a little bit difficult one-handed, but so just use that. Yeah, they're not made for heavy loads, but I mean, neither is the net, so it's just kind of made to secure it. I am more than good with that. On this side, we used the top deal, but the padlock, whatchamacallit there on the cargo box, acts as a good little holding point. Just got to remember when you go to open it, it's going to block it, but I'm okay with that. I'll probably use this a whole lot more than I'll get into that. So just have to remember to do that when we do this, so that that will fit. Trying to do this one-handed is not the easiest, but it does kind of pinch the handle into the corner there a little bit. Hopefully it won't break anything, but we'll keep an eye on it. And just like that, we're cargo ready. Alrighty, we're going to keep this one short. I'm ready to go inside for a little bit. Outfitting my new truck the way I want it. I got a few more things showing up. So, all right. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.